Today I'm going to unbox all these products. These are mostly skincare products that I ordered from Nykaa. Hot Pink Sale is going on. Go and grab it. You can get up to 50% off on all products. So that's why I got this many skincare. I'll just unbox each and everything. Let's open all the boxes. I ordered many more products. These are for my skincare products. So today I'll show you the skincare products. This is part 1 and I think I have to make part 1, part 2, part 3, maybe part 4 going on. I don't know, because in Hot Pink Sale I ordered product of around 50,000. So let's unbox all the things. So this is the part 1 for skincare. Part 2 I'll make for my makeup products, and part 3, let's see. I bought CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser and Moisturizing Lotion because this is available now in India. So I thought, why not to try. This is the Hydrating Cleanser and it's very moisturizing. It is for normal to dry skin. Totally fragrance free, and you can see it's liquidy type of texture. This is the CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. This is for dry to very dry skin. This is also fragrance free and gives hydration for longer time. It has ceramides in it and you can see the texture. Next is Under Ceramide Mochi Toner. It contains ceramide 5000 ppb and this is for skin nourishment and moisturizing. Multi-use toner for bouncy and mochi like skin. This is Kiss Kiss Lovely Lip Patch by Tony Moly. I bought 10 sheet masks because there was going on buy 5 get 5 free. So I thought, why not to buy 10, because I use it regularly. I need face mask badly and for this winter it's very important. So I bought it. Next is Panda's Dream Eye Patch by Tony Moly itself. This is Onder Ceramide Mochi Ampoule and I wanted to try it from long time, but I was not getting in offer. So this time I got it. See this texture, it's like creamy texture almost. It's not like other serums, it's little creamy type of texture and melts on my skin very easily and becomes a liquidy water texture. Next is Aloe 99% Choke Soothing Gel. It moisturizes and soothes skin and we can use it on hair too, because this is a multi-purpose gel. Next is the Choke Green Tea No Wash Cleansing Water. It contains fermented green tea. So let's see how it cleans my makeup. I got this Onder Ceramide Mochi Emulsion. It also contains ceramide 5000 ppb. It is nourishing and moisturizing multi-use emulsion for bouncy and mochi like skin. When you apply on skin, it becomes little watery. You can see it. And the last product is the Choke Green Tea Foam Cleanser. It contains 100% pure green tea ferment extract. This cleanser effectively cleanses away impurities from skin while keeping skin moisturized, and you can see the texture. It's really creamy texture and I really love it.